Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the optical drive, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Find the front panel and flip it over. Identify the optical drive and disconnect the cables. Flip the front panel back over and unlatch the drive. Remove the optical drive from the system. To reinstall the optical drive, place it back in the system and relatch it. Flip the front panel over. Connect the cables. Flip the front panel and secure it. Relatch the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.